Alright, progress has been made. We have taken the headlights, fenders, hood, all off so far. And that fender liner that was on this side, took that off. Here's all the broken stuff. This one's trash, this one's trash, obviously, but all trash. All good though. We do have this is broken, so I'll have to splice in a new one whenever it comes down to that, because I'm probably going to have to use that harness as well, I would assume. I don't know. We got this. Should go to the radiator though, I would think. I did take that relay off for the fog lights for my car. Not that that was difficult. But yeah, damage. So over here, this one actually doesn't look too bad on the side. A little bent. It's just really bad here. And then over here, just screwed completely in this area. So, would be hard to fix, but I'm not trying to fix it, so it's okay. It's just broken pieces, so it's not like I can even show you, like, getting to some of these bolts was hard just because of how freaking mangled everything was. I had to, like, bend those out a lot just to get to some bolts and stuff. But then a lot of them are also broken off already, so it's like literally the only thing holding the hood on was one bolt right here. That was it. That side got ripped out. One of the bolts got ripped out for here, so there was just literally one bolt was holding the whole hood on the hinge. So that was easy. But yeah, chilling, doing some stuffs. Just put a battery on. Yeah, we got some power. Let's see what we got going on. 100,000 miles. 104,000. Huh. Well, that's pretty cool. I'm tempted to try to start it. I don't think I'm going to yet. But 100,000 miles. That's pretty cool. And then the motor. Oh, we got a misfire before the car's even on. Oh no. Alright, well. That's still really cool though. 100K. Not bad. This motor was from a junkyard though. So I know that for sure. 100,000 on the trans. It does seem like the motor's definitely from a junkyard because it has this stuff on it. So it's gotta be. Only 100K though. So that's actually amazing. I don't know. Anyway. I don't know. I'm just gonna start it. I'm gonna see what happens. Well, that didn't sound very great. I wish I knew what was going on over here. Sounds terrible though. You set this camera up. Does not want to do anything, so alright, so we are gonna go ahead and do some of that. Let's see, plug this in. I don't know what this does. What does that do? Man, I don't know what's going on. 0. 0. Not a code. Not one code. But it just don't do nothing now. Should I just work? I don't think the windshield wipers work. Anyway. Oh, we back. Alright, hold up. Y'all let me know what goes down, alright? Alright. I think I just need a little bit of coming around, but okay. There is some noises, which could be due to a couple things. So the motor sounded okay though. I didn't want to run it too long since there's no coolant, but okay, that sounded fine. There's an alarm system on this car. I started messing with that. I have no idea if that is what made it start to work. I did have to give it a lot of gas as well, though, so I don't really know. All I know is this thing's set for 2 months. Like 2, almost 3 months. So maybe that had something to do with that. But it sounds okay. I can't tell, obviously, because there is some noises. We'll see what it sounds like over here, but like, I don't know. I think it's okay. The only other thing I would want to do is throw it into a gear and try to drive it up here, maybe. And then throw it back into reverse and make sure that works. I don't know, but I am gonna let it cool down, even though it's probably not hot at all. But just in case, I'm gonna let it cool down. Yeah, and then just go from there. But that was an interesting experience right there. Took out some of this interior for pretty much no reason, but anyway, I am going to go ahead and try to throw it into a gear and just see what the heck happens. Well, I did it. I accidentally forgot to take the e-brake off. So I stalled. But then after I remembered about the e-brake, it was easy. Oh my gosh, this thing looks so ugly. But it actually flew into gear, like easy, like nothing. Like that was beautiful. I rolled the windows down a little bit. But no, that literally just, it went into gear so easy. Like nothing. So that's nice. That seems so good. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and I need to move my car back into its spot. And then probably put this car maybe here for now. I am gonna move the Camaro, but that doesn't work, so it's gonna be kind of hard to do that. But and in case if y'all care about the cold start on this car, here you go. Alright, got my car back in its spot. Now we're gonna go ahead and move this car next to here. Dang, I killed the grass very fast. But we're gonna go ahead and move the car like right next to this car. So yeah. Hope I don't stall again. That noise is the transmission, or has something to do with it, because when I put the car into a gear, it does not make that noise, which is very scary. So I don't know, it's a little scary, but we did get the car in a good location. We're about to have I should have freaking, hold up, roll these windows up because the battery, I think it's gonna die, or it's probably just not connected very good. But it is this alarm system, that's why it won't let it start. So weird. And then obviously I had no power steering, so that was an experience. It was funny though, because I'm trying to turn the wheel and the airbag keeps turning the freaking blinkers on and stuff. It would turn the blinkers on, and then it would turn the blinkers on, and then it started spraying washer fluid on the windshield and stuff. Pretty funny. But anyway, so yeah, there's supposed to be a hurricane coming, so that's why I had to get my car over there. And then I don't know when that's happening, but I'll just throw the hood on the motor and it should be fine. But yeah, I don't know how much I'm gonna do. If I do stop working on the car, then I'll let you know. But if not, next part coming up. So I went ahead and took that door cable out of that door for the inner part so that I could open my door from on the inside on this car because it broke. I'm gonna go ahead and replace this on my car, and then go ahead and pack up, put the hood, just set the hood on the motor over there, and then we should be chilling. So yeah, that's all I'm pretty much gonna do. So therefore, well, I'll make one more video after I install this door lever. So yeah, just gonna do that real quick, then I'll be back to end off the video. Alright guys, so this is gonna end off the video. All I did just now was put that new door lever into here, and now I can freaking open my door from the inside. Oh, that's so amazing. But yeah, it's hot. I am sweating sweat right now. Like, it's freaking, it's bad. It's real bad. So, I'm gonna go ahead and go take a shower. Yep, everything works. So we're chilling. I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower and all that. But yeah, first little video. A little bit of work to this car, a little bit of work to that car. I mean, I freaking drove that car, which is huge, so that's good. I do think all that noise, though, looking at the footage, and just the way it felt, I think all of that noise is probably just the clutch. I don't think the clutch is very excited. That's what it seems like, because I literally, when I put it into gear and release the clutch, it doesn't make a noise. But when I'm on the clutch, it sounds bad. So, I think it's the clutch. I don't know though. But this tire is holding air, which is cool. Wasn't sure if that was going to happen or not. I guess I need to take this battery. And then I need to go ahead and throw the hood on the car. But yeah, so that's going to be the end of this video. Hope you all enjoyed this one, and I will see you later. Bye.